Welcome to the Outdoor 3D Configurator by Signify. In this training video, you will get a general overview of the application and the tools. Get ready to experience the industry's leading 3D configurator platform that will change the way you plan your next luminaire assembly project. Easy to use, this tool will enable you to create and visualize a 3D presentation of a complete luminaire assembly within a 2D or 3D environment. Anyone can access the Outdoor 3D Configurator using open access, but if you are looking to save your creation and have more tool options, you will need to register and create an account. Services will be available to agents through special accounts. Once the application has loaded, you will have the option to select from multiple brands and get the full luminaires, brackets, and poles offering. Select a category of luminaire or simply choose all products to see the full line of products available within the selected brand. Now that we're in the configurator's main interface, let's go over the tools available in the toolbar. Clear Scene allows you to start a new scene from the beginning, or clears out an already crafted scene. Load brings in a luminaire already created for further edits. Save lets you save your model, provided you have created an account. Export 3D File saves an editable 3D file for your model to open in either SketchUp or 3D Studio. Zoom allows you to click and drag to zoom in or out of your 3D model. Rotate allows you to click and drag to rotate a full 360 degrees around your model. Pan lets you move your model up or down. Zoom Extended pushes your model further back in 3D space for a quick overview of your luminaire assembly. Show Scale shows real-life measurements of your model and allows you to see the luminous center of the luminaire selection. And Help provides additional resources for working within the Outdoor 3D Configurator. For more tutorial videos or assistance with the Outdoor 3D Configurator, be sure to click on the Help tool found within the application.